Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the auger motor shaft seal in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a heat gun. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the ice compartment door and pull the retaining lever forward, then lift the ice bucket assembly up to remove. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws securing the ice chute. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the ice chute out. Because the auger shaft seal clip retaining tabs are so rigid, we recommend using the heat gun or a hair dryer to heat them up to make them more pliable. You can now depress the tabs to release the clip and remove the old seal. To install the new auger motor shaft seal, align it on the underside of the ice chute and snap the clip into place to secure. Reinstall the ice chute by positioning it over the auger motor drive shaft. Then secure the chute with the screws. Realign the ice bucket assembly in the compartment and snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.